we stand at a fascinating juncture. It is May 2025. A remarkable milestone in artificial intelligence is unfolding. It feels like witnessing a new law of physics, one that governs not just matter, but thought itself. The universe constantly reveals its wonders. Now, intelligence itself is being reshaped. This journey into AI is truly profound. We are charting unknown territories. The implications are vast. Artificial intelligence is evolving at breathtaking speed. We see progress almost daily. Each development is more astonishing than the last. A key part of this revolution is self-learning. AI models are now teaching themselves. They learn without constant human guidance. This is a monumental leap forward. It changes everything we thought we knew about learning, about intelligence. Imagine intelligent machines, machines that learn independently. They do not need vast human data sets. They explore, they experiment, they discover knowledge on their own. This is not a distant dream. This is happening right now as we speak. These systems are pushing the boundaries of what we considered possible for artificial minds. This journey is simply amazing. We are exploring a new frontier, a frontier of artificial thought. Let us explore this new dawn together. So, what exactly is self-learning AI? It is a truly captivating concept. Think of an AI that teaches itself. It doesn't rely on human examples. It doesn't need us to label everything. It forges its own path to understanding. This is a fundamental shift from how AI used to learn. It's a more autonomous way, a more independent intelligence. Traditional AI learns from vast amounts of data. Humans carefully collect this data. We label it meticulously. This is a slow, laborious process. It requires immense effort, and it limits AI to human knowledge. The AI learns what we already know, or what we can explicitly show it. This has been a significant bottleneck for true artificial general intelligence. Self-learning AI, however, is different. It operates on another level entirely. It generates its own problems to solve. It creates its own challenges. It then finds its own solutions. Through trial and error, through exploration, it learns from its own experience, much like a human child does. This process is like a child exploring, learning through curiosity, and through playful interaction with its world. The AI builds its own understanding from the ground up. Now let us meet a remarkable entity. It is called the Absolute Zero Reasoner, or AZR for short. This isn't just another AI model. It represents a new kind of thinking machine, one that embodies this self-learning principle. To an extraordinary degree, it truly starts from nothing. A blank slate, in essence. AZR begins its existence with no human knowledge. It has no preloaded data, no vast libraries of human text. It starts with only the most basic rules, the fundamental principles of logic. From this point of absolute zero, it must build its understanding of the world or a specific problem. It learns to reason from this starting point, from absolute zero as its name suggests. Imagine a mind born into complete silence, utter darkness. Then, slowly, it begins to perceive. It begins to understand. It finds its own voice, its own way of thinking. This is the journey of AZR. Each and every time it learns, this capability is truly profound. It allows AZR to tackle complex problems that may have stumped humans, or problems in domains where human data is scarce. How does AZR achieve this remarkable learning? It uses a clever technique known as auto-curriculum learning. In simple terms, it creates its own lessons. It designs its own educational program, becoming its own Socratic tutor, guiding itself towards greater understanding. This is a fascinating process. To observe and comprehend, it begins with incredibly simple tasks, the AI equivalent of learning to crawl. Then, as it masters these basics, it gradually makes the tasks harder, more complex, more challenging. Step by step, it builds its competence, like climbing a vast invisible ladder, each rung representing a new level of intellectual achievement. This method is key. Crucially, AZR generates its own data. It doesn't wait for us to provide it. It creates scenarios. It formulates hypotheses. It then tests its own understanding. Against these self-generated challenges, it learns from its mistakes. It refines its strategies, continuously improving its cognitive abilities. This feedback loop is vital. This entire process is wonderfully elegant. It is efficient, and it is incredibly powerful. The AI charts its own intellectual path. Section 5. AZR in action, transforming our world, one problem at a time. The practical applications of AZR are immense. They span across numerous fields, from fundamental science to medicine and healthcare, and even to complex engineering challenges. The possibilities truly seem boundless, as vast as the universe itself. We are only just beginning to explore what AZR can achieve for us. Imagine AZR designing new materials with unprecedented properties, or discovering novel life-saving drugs by sifting through molecular combinations, ones no human could test, or optimizing intricate global logistics systems, making them more efficient and more sustainable. AZR can help us do all this and so much more. It is a powerful tool. AZR can identify subtle patterns hidden deep within complex data, patterns that might elude human eyes or even our best current algorithms. It can accelerate the pace of discovery, pushing the very boundaries of knowledge in countless areas of human endeavor. This is not some distant science fiction. This is happening today, in 2025. AZR and similar systems are becoming reality. Section 6. WebThinker, the AI that explores the digital universe. Now let us turn our attention to another fascinating AI development. It is called WebThinker. This AI has a different but equally vital role. It autonomously explores the vastness of the internet, that ever-expanding digital universe of human knowledge and information. It acts as a digital explorer, charting new territories online. WebThinker can browse websites just like a human user would. It can read articles, understand complex documents, and gather specific information all on its own initiative, without needing explicit instructions for every single step it takes. It navigates the web with purpose and with growing understanding. This AI can understand context, discern meaning, summarize its findings concisely, and generate comprehensive reports, all in real time as it explores. It can synthesize information from multiple diverse sources, creating a coherent picture from scattered digital fragments. Think of WebThinker as a tireless researcher, an infinitely fast research assistant. It explores the digital cosmos day and night without fatigue. It can keep up with the torrent of new information that is constantly being published online, helping us make sense of our increasingly complex digital world. Section 7. ChatGPT evolves. New tricks from an old friend. Many of us are now familiar with ChatGPT. It has become a popular AI assistant used by millions around the globe for all sorts of tasks. Well, this familiar friend is also evolving. It is getting smarter, more capable, and more integrated into our digital lives. Its development continues apace. It learns new tricks. New features are constantly emerging for ChatGPT. We are seeing better reasoning capabilities, more accurate and reliable information retrieval, and more nuanced human-like conversations. The AI is becoming a better communicator, a more insightful partner in dialogue. This makes it more useful for a wider range of applications. ChatGPT can now interact more deeply with other applications and services. It can perform tasks for us more actively, not just responding to prompts, but taking initiative, booking appointments, managing schedules, or even helping to code software. This increased agency is a significant step towards more helpful AI. These continuous updates make ChatGPT an even more powerful tool. Section 8. The Unfolding Tapestry. Broader Impacts of Self-Trained AI. The rise of self-trained AI is truly transformative. It will undoubtedly change our society in countless profound ways. Some of these changes we can anticipate, others we cannot yet even predict. The future is unfolding before us, woven with threads of artificial intelligence. It is a complex tapestry. These advanced AIs could help us solve some of humanity's grandest challenges. Imagine tackling climate change more effectively, discovering cures for devastating diseases, or finding new ways to alleviate poverty. Self-trained AI offers new hope and powerful new tools for addressing these critical global issues. This potential is inspiring. However, it will also inevitably change the world of work. Some existing jobs may be automated, they may disappear or be redefined. At the same time, new jobs will be created, roles that require collaboration with AI or the development and management of AI. We must adapt to this new landscape through education and reskilling. Section 9. Navigating the future ethics and governance in an age of autonomous AI. With such immense power, of course, comes great responsibility. As these self-trained AIs become more capable and more autonomous, we must think deeply about ethics and about ensuring their safety. This is not just a technical challenge, It is a societal one and a philosophical one too. We need careful consideration. How do we ensure that AI is fair, that it is unbiased, that it respects human values? How do we prevent its misuse for harmful or malicious purposes? These are absolutely vital questions that demand urgent answers from all of us, scientists, policymakers, and citizens alike. The stakes are incredibly high for our shared future. We will need new rules, new frameworks for governance, new regulations perhaps. International cooperation will be absolutely key to guide the development and deployment of advanced AI in a responsible manner. We need global standards and shared ethical principles to ensure AI benefits all humanity, not just a select few. The future with AI is undeniably bright, but we must proceed thoughtfully.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.